Everyone, welcome back. What is Near Protocol? So this is an update to Near Protocol, a step-by-step guide to the key challenger blockchain to Ethereum. That's quite fascinating. I have reviewed Near before. I have done introductions to Near. Most of you should be familiar with Near, but this is just a quick update. We do have some big news though. One of the biggest updates is perhaps this. I'm not even sure if this news is supposed to be released to the public yet, but it is, and I'm happy. Near releases JavaScript SDK, that is a software developer's kit, bringing Web3 to 20 million developers. This is awesome, absolutely amazing. I don't know if you know anything about JavaScript or a software developer's kit. I don't know if you know anything developers focused, but if you do, you'll understand just how important this is to the blockchain, to Near blockchain, to all blockchains, and to the future of Web3. So blockchain developers have become a whole lot easier for Web3. Near is thrilled to unveil its much anticipated JavaScript software developers kit. That's a JS SDK at the ETH Toronto, the official hackathon of blockchain for futuristic conferences, in a significant move to democratize Web3 development. Now with Near JS SDK, more than 20 million developers that make JavaScript the world's most popular coding language can finally join the internet revolution and quickly build fast, scalable, and easily friendly decentralized application. This is awesome, absolutely amazing. Having that many more contributors in the space could bring about a fascinating renaissance to the open web. I agree, this is absolutely incredible. This is going to bring over a lot of developers. There are so many JavaScript developers, and they will finally be able to interact more with the blockchain, building applications that will impact Near and impact other blockchain applications as well. Now, although Rust and Solidity are the most prominent programming language for Layer 1 blockchain, there are fewer than 2.5 million developers worldwide who use these languages. So opening up the door to nearly 10x is a major step forward in mass adoption. JavaScript run in every browser. The basics can be taught in an afternoon. It requires no compiler setup, and it becomes preloaded with useful libraries like regex, math, and arrays. The Near.js SDK brings this same compatibility and ease of use to developing smart contracts, unlocking the power of blockchain to much wider audience. Learn, build, and deploy in minutes. Near commitment to putting simplicity and usability first is reinforced by this release, making the learning curve for blockchain far less steep than it's been. JavaScript developers can now set up their first app in the same amount of time it takes to spin up a React app. That's awesome. People are going to go crazy about this in the developers community, that's for sure. This is for sure perhaps one of the most exciting things to happen recently. So that's some of the biggest news that caught my attention immediately. But let's go back to it. What exactly is Near? Now it's a public proof-of-stake blockchain that aims to bring DeFi to masses with low transaction fees and fast transaction. Near competes with Avalanche, Solana, Cardano, Algorand, and the new version of Ethereum and other proof-of-stake networks. These are all dApp building platforms. That's what they have in common. Avalanche, you can build dApps on their platform. You can build dApps on Solana, Cardano, and Algorand, and of course, Ethereum, the big one. These are all competitors because they do roughly the same thing in a similar way but at different speeds, so you just automatically make them competitors. I understand that. By the way, that makes perfect sense. Now in contrast, Near Protocol relies on making its main chain Layer 1 scalable. As such, it offers enterprise-grade performance from the get-go, offering up to 100,000 transactions per second once it's fully upgraded. As a result, it's gained popularity across the continent to mainstream dApp Web3 deployments and attracting 1,700 monthly active developers. Venture capitalists back Near to the tune of $566 million so far, led by Andressa Horowitz, Coinbase Ventures, Tiger Global, Pantera Capital, Electric Capital, Blockchain, Dragonfly Capital, Blockchain.com, and much more others. Now, Near Protocol Network has 18 million wallets and daily transactions, 400,000 transactions at 2.4 seconds finality, and a remarkable $0.01 fee, and a remarkable 0.01 cent fee. Although Although Near daily transaction count is 3 times lower than Ethereum, it completes transaction 5 times faster. More importantly, the protocol fees are comparable to Ethereum Layer 2 Arbitrum or Polygon network. That's due to the fact that Polygon is a scaling solution for Ethereum. They're basically saying Near protocol can compete with Polygon as well. Keep that in mind. And Polygon is doing its own thing. Polygon is doing absolutely incredible. So that's an update. That's an introduction, both an update and introduction to Near protocol. Another article, Near protocol reveals new updates, but will it change its course? Very interested. Now, despite the launch of the new developers-oriented group, Near has still a good performance in the past week. According to a recent update, Near completed 2.25 million transactions with an average 751 transactions. 751,293 transactions. Absolutely incredible. The network has also saw a robust increase in the number of accounts as they jump up to 316,000 plus. That is plus 17% increase. So in many ways, I guess by now you can finally see that this network clearly has a lot of potential. But if you don't believe me, take a look at the ecosystem. This is their vast ecosystem. They want to build the future of dApps applications on Near, and it's already happening. And with the help of their new software developers kit, a whole lot more applications will be able to be built on Near. The curated list of 790 projects being built on Near, Aurora, and Octopus ecosystem. Fascinating. These are thus ecosystem, Aurora, Octopus, and these are some of the trending projects. It's vast and it's growing. This is only the beginning. Imagine where we'll be in 5 times. Imagine where we will be in development in 5 years' time. Imagine where the price will be in 5 years' time. Honestly, it's going to blow everyone's mind. And the token circulating supply is not low. It's 777 million. That's a 1 billion max supply of token. It is not a low supply of token. Ultimately, I think this is a good thing. In terms of price, what can we expect from Near in the future? Before the end of the year, could it hit $6 again? That's definitely possible. But what about $8, $9, $10 before the end of the year? $10 is less likely. It is possible if the market tries to recover. It will just be a trigger in the market and a lot of people will start buying. But that won't be the full bull run. We'll still be in a bearish period, just to give you an advice. But of course, not financial advice. Just a heads up that even though the market starts going back up, that doesn't mean we're out of the bullish market yet. Just because the price starts going back up, that doesn't mean that we're out of the bearish market just yet. It takes some time. It takes a while. But long term, perhaps next year, we're probably looking at the token being anywhere from $10 to $50 in true value. From $10 to $50 in true value. That's just my opinion. Once again, not financial advice in any way. But I strongly believe that Near protocol has much more potential than it's being credited for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you'd like me to discuss in regards to Near protocol, leave a comment. Remember now, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and of course, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.